Hey, what's up, guys? Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Last day of the year. Last video for the year. I bet some of you are all like, thank God. Well, it's gonna suck for you because I'm gonna make more, whether you watch them or not. I really wish you would. I wish you'd like them. I wish. Anyway, doesn't matter. Anyway, I was gonna make a video today doing some things with the car, but life has a way of getting in the way, and we had other things to attend to. One of our horses got sick, so had to take the horse to the vet. There goes the car parts. Anyway, that's all done, so I figured I would make a quick video for you guys, check in, wish you a happy new year, and hope everything is well for everybody, and I hope you have a great new year. I really do. I did get some strut tower covers in from Custom Strut Towers on eBay. Figured I'd shout that guy out because, man, what a beautiful job. Matched the color of the car perfectly. They fit right on. I'm gonna order a set for Bad Pony because I like them so much. And I give you guys, I'll show them to you real quick. Guy did such a nice job making these. The color really doesn't do it justice on the camera, I know, but they do match the outside of the car perfectly. They almost look yellow, but you know, so does the car most of the time. But maybe you can see it a little bit better right there, but you can see how nice they fit on the car. The guy just did a phenomenal job. I cleaned the motor up today. I was in the process of doing stuff, so I meant to do some other stuff, but that didn't happen. Like I said, life gets in the way. Shit happens. Nothing you can do. But these are super nice. The guy did a great job. Snapped on the car. Like, it literally takes 2 seconds, guys. And if you go on there and try to order a pair from him or whatever, he'll walk you through the whole thing, and he's really responsive to everything. Just a great guy to buy stuff from. And like I said, I'm gonna get a set for Bad Pony. And what's going on in the new year? Well, I mentioned it before for some of you that watched my other video. We're going to Ponies in the Smokies. So if you've been there, or you have anything you'd like to share about that, or places that you eat, or you know, anything, just comment down below. Let me know. Like, anything would be helpful. We've never been, and we are going to take Bad Pony. Bad Pony's going to the shop in a couple weeks to get a couple things done, but I'll go through that in the next video. And we're going to do that. We're going to do Mustang Week in Texas. I'm going to take both cars to that, and I hope to see some of you there, and some of your cars for sure. I know there was a lot of cars there last year. This year's going to be better, I guess. They have more sponsors. It seems like it's going to be bigger than it was last year, and I'm sure it'll get bigger every year, but it's a cool show. We're going to go to that, and really we're going to go to Ponies in the Smokies. We literally have like a week after we get home to get ready for Mustang Week, but I'll do my best. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to check in with you guys, wish you a happy new year. I hope all is well, and I will be seeing you next year in my next video. Thank you so much for everything, and have a happy new year.